Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a very healthy and a very mouth-watering recipe of chili tofu. Tofu, as we know, it's a very good source of protein. So I'm going to make spicy chili tofu. Let's start making it. First of all, I would like to show you the ingredients. This is almost 300 grams of tofu, which I've cut into thick pieces. They shouldn't be very thin. And I have soaked this tofu in hot salty water for half an hour to 45 minutes, because as this is very bland, so when we soak in this salty water, so it gets good taste. Then these are diced onions. This is one diced onion, like this shape we want. This is one chopped onion, finely chopped. These are 6 to 7 garlic cloves, finely chopped. This is green part of those spring onions, only the green part I've used. These are peppers, red and green. These are also cut in dice shaped. This is corn flour, olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce. I have taken this light soy sauce. If you want, you can take darker one also. Salt. This is Ajinomoto. And let's start making it. In this tofu, I have strained all the water out. I have dried it up, like I have left in the strainer. So now I'm going to add this little bit of corn flour on this tofu. Then I'm going to mix it well. Mix it with the light hands because it might break. Just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. I have taken this pan, switched on the flame. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shallow fry this tofu. It's up to you. If you want, you can deep fry also, but I would like to shallow fry it. I'm taking this olive oil. I'm going to shallow fry. Just let the oil heat up a little bit. This is going to make it crispy because it has a coating of corn flour. Let's place this. We have to roast on both the sides. Then we'll take this out and start making our chili tofu. I'm going to turn this tofu around. Let's see if it has turned brown. Roast it from the other side. Yes, you can see it has turned brown. We'll turn all the pieces and roast it until the other side is also brown. This is quite sticky. This is also going to be turned out very nice, because some people they like fried ones, but I would like to go for a healthy option. So I have just shallow fried it. This tofu has been fried now, shallow fried. It has turned crispy, see, both the sides. Now I'm going to take it out, and then we are going to make the other ingredients. See, this oil has been left from the tofu when I was sauteing it. Now in the same oil, in the same pan, I'm just going to add this garlic. This is finely chopped garlic. Just cook it quickly on high flame. The flame is high because we want the vegetables to be a bit crispy. Just for 30 to 40 seconds. And then next I'm going to add these finely chopped onions. Next I'm going to add these finely chopped onion. This is one big onion. Now also I'm going to quickly just saute it. Because all these vegetables, as I told you, we want crispy. So we don't want to make it soft. I'm going to add a bit of more oil because it needs a bit. I'm going to add a little bit. These onions are sauteed now. I'm going to add this soy sauce, around 1 to 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Mix it quickly. And then next, this is optional, I'm going to add little bit of brown sugar. If you want, you can add it because it gives a nice brown color. Now I'm going to add these tofu pieces and mix it well. With this also I'm going to add little bit of salt, and this is freshly ground black pepper. This is going to give it a very good flavor. Just mix it well quickly. I'm going to add this hot water, around 1 cup, and just let it be on the flame on medium flame, slow medium flame. In the meanwhile, I have dissolved 1 teaspoon of corn flour, which I showed you earlier, in water. I've just mixed it properly. See, this is thin. This is just going to give it a thick consistency to this chili tofu. I am also going to add these diced onions and peppers and mix it well. These are peppers. Everything goes in, and this we are going to cook for 1 minute. Then we are going to add this cornstarch, which I have dissolved in water. This looks wonderful. See all the colors, and it's very healthy too, because I've used not very much oil. I've made this in little oil also. Next I'm going to add this cornstarch, which I've dissolved, and mix it well. Looks very nice. The consistency is also going to be thick now. Along with this, I'm going to add little bit of salt also, and also little bit of this ground pepper, which I have freshly, this black pepper. Let's mix it well together. It's almost ready. Let's mix it properly. I'm also going to add this Ajinomoto little bit to give it a nice flavor. Little bit, and let's mix it again. It's optional. If you want, you can avoid Ajinomoto. I've just added very little bit. Now finally I'm going to add this vinegar. Because this is ready now, I'm just going to add this and mix it well and serve it. This is normal vinegar. This also gives it a very nice flavor. Around 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Just mix it well, and it's ready to serve. This is ready. I'm just going to switch off the flame now, and lastly, finally, these green parts of spring onions, which makes it look very nice, and also gives it a very nice taste. I'm going to switch off the flame and serve it quickly. See, I've served this tofu. This looks amazing. See all the colors, peppers, and it's really very healthy. And I'm just going to sprinkle some more these spring onions on this, and a bit of also this black pepper freshly crushed, just a bit more, and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please try and comment. Thanks for watching.